Hi, this is Drew Taylor with Team Taylor EXP Realty, coming to you from our newest listing, 5058 Wagon Trace in the Applecross community in the highly sought after Inverness area. This house is located just down the street from the Inverness Golf Course, Inverness Country Club, between the number 14 green, number 15 tee box. So just a short drive away from a beautiful golf course. This house has been fully remodeled from the ground up. Every inch of this home has been redone, as you're gonna see in the video, from the kitchen to the bathrooms to the basement area. Just a wonderful house all the way around for a family. Great backyard, corner lot, great community, great school system. What more could you ask for? Come check out 5058 Wagon Trace, priced at $549,000. We'd love to show you this house.